Lake Hillier is a miracle of nature or an unsolved puzzle for humanity. In the heart of the Recherche Archipelago in Western Australia, there exists a natural wonder that seems to have stepped right out of a surrealist painting, Lake Hillier. Seen from above, the lake appears as a vibrant stroke of pink, separated from the deep blue of the Indian Ocean by only a narrow strip of white sand and lush eucalyptus forest. What makes Hillier stand out is not just its peculiar appearance, but the fact that this pink hue is entirely natural, permanent, and remains a perplexing puzzle for the scientific community to this day. The story of Lake Hillier was first recorded in 1802 by the explorer Matthew Flinders. Upon climbing the highest peak on Middle Island, he was astonished to see a dark pink lake nestled amidst the vegetation. For centuries since, human curiosity has never waned. The most striking feature of Hillier compared to other pink lakes around the world is its stability. While other lakes often change color depending on the season, temperature, or cloud cover, Lake Hillier maintains its vibrant pink shade year-round. Remarkably, even when the lake water is collected in a bottle, it retains its brilliant pink color rather than turning transparent. From a scientific perspective, this mystery has been gradually unraveled, but a definitive conclusion remains elusive. The most popular hypothesis focuses on the lake's extreme salinity, which is comparable to that of the Dead Sea. Within this harsh environment, an extremophile microbial ecosystem has formed. Researchers have identified the presence of Dunaliella salina, an algae species that produces carotenoid pigments to protect itself from intense sunlight. Alongside it are halobacteria and the bacterium Salinobacter ruber, which naturally possess red-pink pigments in their cell membranes. In 2016, the Extreme Microbiome Project conducted DNA sampling and discovered a surprisingly diverse microbial community, including bacterial species that were previously unknown to science. However, this still does not fully explain why the coloration of Lake Hillier is so much more concentrated and enduring than others. Why do neighboring lakes on the same island, subject to the same climatic conditions, show no signs of pink? The specific interaction between the minerals at the bottom of the lake and these organisms remains a secret that nature has yet to fully reveal. In terms of safety, the water of Lake Hillier is completely non-toxic. You could swim in its pink waters, and due to the high salt concentration, your body would float effortlessly. However, visiting the lake is a luxury. Located in a pristine conservation area with no road access, the only way to behold this wonder is via helicopter or small aircraft. This isolation has preserved Hillier's pure beauty, untainted by human interference. Lake Hillier is more than just a geographical landmark. It is a testament to the fact that the world still holds enchanting corners that modern science cannot yet fully comprehend. The lake's pink hue serves as a reminder that nature has its own ways of creating magic, turning the smallest organisms into a grand masterpiece. Standing before Hillier, the boundary between reality and illusion seems to dissolve, leaving one in awe of a nature that is both powerful and profoundly mysterious. That pink remains there, vibrant and silent through the centuries, defying common logic. Will we ever fully decode nature's formula? Or does the beauty of Hillier lie precisely in that unanswered mystery? Would you like me to look up more details on how to book a helicopter tour to see this legendary lake in person?